We live in a throwaway society. And by now it's no surprise that products are getting cheaper and cheaper, some even being designed to fail. But here at Mr. Mixer, we're fighting that throwaway culture, and we're helping to keep your machines alive and even improve their function. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing away before I hurt myself. But we don't just repair mixers. We've actually invented several products to fix some of the biggest issues that KitchenAid mixers face. Let me show you. Is the head of your mixer bouncing up and down really bad and your paddles chipping like this? We fixed that with the EverDial. Take a look at that, virtually no more head bounce, which is gonna protect your machine and it's gonna keep those paddles from chipping. Unincorporated ingredients because your paddle's not reaching far enough into the bowl to pass the dime test? We can fix that issue with the Hi-Rise. We'll simply slide the Hi-Rise over the bowl tab, click your bowl into place. Take a look, we're now passing the dime test. We even manufacture a quick install spring and washer that's one size fit all. With our highly detailed repair tutorials and over 200 parts in stock, we're guaranteed to have the parts you need to fix your mixer. Speaking of mixers, we got those too. And just in case you're not the DIY type, we have you covered as well with a team of certified repair technicians. We have thousands of people every year from the US and Canada send us their machines for repair. We made the process so easy there's no reason not to fix and upgrade your mixer. So check out some of our tutorials, and if you still need help, you can give us a call or send us an email. Oh, and make sure to check out our website, mrmixer.store.